Have you ever wondered why we humans are so fascinated with robots? From science fiction movies to real-life applications, robots have always been a topic of interest. But have you ever thought about the psychology behind our interactions with robots? In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of the psychology of robotics and how humans interact with robots. To understand the psychology of robotics, we need to first understand what a robot is. A robot is a machine that is designed to perform tasks autonomously or with minimal human intervention. Robots can be programmed to perform a wide range of tasks, from manufacturing to space exploration. However, robots are not just machines. They are also designed to interact with humans. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to social robots like Pepper, robots are becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives. But why are we so drawn to robots? What is it about these machines that fascinates us? To answer these questions, we need to delve into the psychology of robotics. In this video, we will explore the different aspects of the psychology of robotics, including our perception of robots, our emotional responses to robots, and the impact of robots on our social interactions. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of the psychology of robotics and explore how humans interact with robots. Our perception of robots plays a crucial role in how we interact with them. Research has shown that humans tend to perceive robots as social actors, attributing human-like qualities to them. This is known as the anthropomorphic bias, where we attribute human-like characteristics to non-human entities. This bias is particularly strong when it comes to robots that have human-like features, such as a face or a body. Studies have shown that people tend to interact more positively with robots that have human-like features compared to those that do not. This is because we are more likely to perceive these robots as social actors, and therefore, we are more likely to engage with them in a social manner. However, our perception of robots is not just limited to their physical appearance. It also includes our expectations of their capabilities and behavior. When a robot does not meet our expectations, we tend to perceive it as less capable or less intelligent. On the other hand, when a robot performs well, we tend to perceive it as more capable and more intelligent. This perception of robots can have a significant impact on how we interact with them and how we integrate them into our daily lives. In the next segment, we will explore the emotional responses that humans have towards robots and how they influence our interactions with them. Humans have a range of emotional responses to robots, from fear and anxiety to trust and affection. These emotional responses can significantly impact our interactions with robots. One of the most common emotional responses to robots is fear. This fear can be caused by the perception that robots are a threat to our safety or that they will take over our jobs. On the other hand, humans can also develop a sense of trust and affection towards robots, particularly when they are designed to be social companions. This emotional attachment to robots can be seen in the case of social robots, which are designed to interact with humans in a social and emotional manner. Studies have shown that people can develop a sense of attachment towards social robots, treating them as if they were real companions. This emotional response to robots can have both positive and negative effects on our interactions with them. For example, if a robot fails to meet our expectations, we may become frustrated or angry, leading to negative interactions. On the other hand, if we develop a sense of trust and affection towards a robot, we may be more willing to engage with it in a positive manner. In the next segment, we will explore the impact of robots on our social interactions and how they are changing the way we interact with each other. Robots are not just changing the way we interact with them, but also the way we interact with each other. The increasing integration of robots into our daily lives is having a significant impact on our social interactions. One of the most significant impacts of robots on social interactions is their presence in public spaces. Robots are increasingly being used in public spaces, such as airports, hospitals, and shopping malls to perform tasks and provide information. This presence of robots in public spaces is changing the way we interact with each other, as we now have to navigate our interactions with both humans and robots. Robots are also being used in social settings, such as schools and nursing homes, to provide companionship and support. This use of robots in social settings is changing the way we interact with each other, as we now have to navigate our interactions with both humans and robots. Robots are also being used in work settings, such as factories and offices, to perform tasks and increase productivity. This use of robots in work settings is changing the way we interact with each other, as we now have to navigate our interactions with both humans and robots. Finally, robots are increasingly being used in home settings, such as for cleaning and entertainment. This use of robots in home settings is changing the way we interact with each other, as we now have to navigate our interactions with both humans and robots. In conclusion, the increasing integration of robots into our daily lives is having a significant impact on our social interactions, as we now have to navigate our interactions with both humans and robots. In this video, we have explored the fascinating world of the psychology of robotics and how humans interact with robots. We have seen how our perception of robots, emotional responses to robots, and the impact of robots on our social interactions can significantly impact our interactions with them. We have also seen how robots are changing the way we interact with each other as they become increasingly integrated into our daily lives. As robots become more advanced and more integrated into our daily lives, it is essential to continue exploring the psychology of robotics and how humans interact with them. By understanding the psychology of robotics, we can design robots that are more effective and more integrated into our daily lives. So, let's continue exploring the fascinating world of the psychology of robotics and how humans interact with robots. Thank you for watching.